Hi guys, today we are going to discuss a very important international issue, that is India in Afghan peace process. So the thing is, US brings India back on Afghan peace negotiation table amid Russian attempts to the country. The US government unveiled its new Afghanistan strategy, which includes both the possibility of a power-sharing government between Kabul's elected representatives and the Taliban, and a recognition of the important role that regional countries should play after the withdrawal of the US foreign forces. The strategy even proposed a United Nations level meeting with the foreign minister of China, Iran, India, Pakistan, Russia, and United States to develop a unified approach to peace. So, what are the major outcomes of the new process? The long-running Doha process, where much headway has been made between Afghan government and others and the Taliban, seems to be dissipating. New forums in Russia and Turkey are taking shape to take the conversation further, and more regional and international actors are getting involved. The agreement requires the US to withdraw its military forces. Taliban factor. US has been pressing the Taliban to accept an immediate agreement to reduce violence for 90 days that will provide the space for the peace initiative. This would help prevent a decisive spring offensive by the Taliban. The US is asking Turkey to convene a meeting of the government in Kabul and the Taliban to finalize a peace settlement. US new plan for Afghanistan involves a wider role for regional players such as India, Pakistan, Iran, Russia, and China. US is asking the United Nations to convene a meeting of the foreign minister from this country to develop a unified approach to peace in Afghanistan. Now let's see the Afghan peace process. So the Afghan peace process comprises the proposals and negotiations in a bid to end the ongoing war in Afghanistan. Taliban, which is the main insurgent group fighting against the Afghan government and the American troop. What are the challenges to the Afghan peace process? So, it is critical of the US direct outreach. Afghan administration has consistently been critical of the US direct outreach to the Taliban, and the Afghan wants the transfer of power through election, but the Taliban wants a power transfer before participating in polls. Taliban is aware of the lower potential of the Afghan forces. The fragmentation of the Taliban force is another obstacle in the peace process. It is possible that some of them may continue to engage in violence. It would be difficult for the US to hold the withdrawal process due to financial stress. Let's see how is it important for India. So a stable Afghanistan is crucial for regional and domestic security and stability for India. Important role of Afghanistan is always considered as India's gateway to Central Asia. Increasing strategic engagements with Afghanistan is helpful for the Republic of India in widening the engagement with different countries within the region. Afghan is essential to address the energy need of India. The steps ahead. Regional nation support will strengthen the Afghan government bargaining power in negotiation. The world leader ought to take a sturdy step against Terrorist Act by adopting the Comprehensive Convention on International Terrorism, and India must step up to assist materially to those who want to defend the Afghan Republic. Another point that we have to keep in mind in this topic is the neighboring country or the bordering state, that India share with Afghanistan is the Jammu Kashmir. Not the whole Jammu Kashmir, but the Pakistan occupied Kashmir part is the bordering state that is being shared with Afghanistan. Thank you.